Most of you are kind of going through some kind of emotional challenges in your life. For few of you, I'm also hearing that there might be a partner who's been very ignorant towards you lately, in a way that you don't feel loved anymore. Probably that might not be the case, but you really feel that you've been ignored by your partner lately, and you really do not feel the spark in your life, in your relationship in some way. That is there a very clear message, and this has kind of kept you a bit quite closed off. One clear message that some of you might have separated from your partners also. You might have fetched some amount also, as this can be a legal marriage wherein you might have received some kind of alimony, some kind of wealth in some way from your partner, but then at the same time you really want to have your own wine with your own self. Somehow you don't want to share it with anyone. Despite having friends around you, you really want to share it with a few friends, one or two, but then you really do not want to talk about things much. But yes, you want to plan a friendship date. So yes, you can go ahead and do that. Try to vent out, try to release the burden on your heart because you really need to. Okay. Try to share yourself with the people that you are sure of. I'm just seeing that this can be just a dear friend, probably just one single friend. Now this friend can be a family also. So however it applies to you, please take guard of whatever you feel more connected to, okay? But on the whole, I am seeing that you would just want to be with your own self mostly, but at the same time missing your friends in one way. You would want to talk to some special friend of yours, but then you're somehow not able to. But I would suggest that try to make a plan probably that can help you get a bit relieved from this emotional challenge that you might be going from. Mostly this is the scenario that I'm seeing, but yes, for some of you also it can be another situation wherein this can be a parent and child situation wherein you might be a child trying to talk to your parent and you feel that you're not being heard in some way, or they're not being reciprocative in some way, they're not being able to reciprocate the love that you have. So whatever the relationship, but you really feel deprived today, have faith in universe, have faith in your deeds. Keep praying, keep meditating, keep doing the good stuff that you're supposed to do just to mend your way, best way possible ahead. And I'll see you tomorrow, Capricorns.